The phone comes in color options of Fantasy White and Mystery Black. The phone has display of 16.5 centimeters, 6.5 inch, and an 89% screen-to-body ratio. 1600 by 720 pixels resolution and 269p pixel density. The phone also has multi-touch screen. It has 12+2+2 MP triple rear camera, 12 MP main camera plus 2 MP macro lens plus 2 MP depth camera. It has 8 MP front camera. It has portrait bokeh, macro lens and dazzle color mode. It comes with 4230 mAh lithium polymer battery, talk time of 45 hours and standby time of 450 hours. It has 4GB RAM and 64GB internal memory dual SIM, Nano plus Nano. Expandable memory up to 256GB and it supports dual standby, 4G plus 4G. It runs on 6.1 operating system based on Android Pie v9.0. It is powered by 2.3 GHz MediaTek P35 octa-core processor and IMG GE8320 GPU. It also features acceleration sensor, magnetic induction and fingerprint, proximity sensor, dual SIM and OTG. The delivery box contains handset, USB cable and SIM tray ejector. Pre-applied screen protector and protective case and booklet with warranty card and quick guide.